to get very soft. I want you to raise your hand even if it's very soft. Okay.
Hi, I'm Wesley Nurenda. I was born with a cleft palate, and my mom died at 1 year, so I was raised by my grandma.
She does have a special chair at home, but head support is tough, so it's almost easier for her to hold her and hold her head up.
Because her head stays up. Do you have a couch? Okay, does it work? Can you get her to stay still on the couch?
With a child of a disability, more, let's say a cleft palate, and would want to sacrifice her own child so that she may have a bit of rituals or witchcraft. She will sacrifice the baby to witchcraft, and she may have rituals. We call it blood money here because the baby has been sacrificed, and the blood of the baby will be her money. And so any child born with a disability here is actually about 80% will be hidden and 20% killed, especially with the palate. The palate is that they think a snake ate the baby. They think it's the mom who's bad-hearted, and so they might sacrifice the child. I would say 90% of us children who are born with clefts, it's not common here in Zambia. We are hidden. We are. The women are afraid of stigma. They are afraid of. They are afraid of, especially on the economy. You find a rich man says, "Do away with that child with a cleft or with a disability, and come you marry me. I have cars. I have money," and their parents will mix exterminating liquids in the baby's food or porridge, and the baby will take that, and the baby will complain he or she is sick, and the mom will deliberately take the child to the hospital when it's too late, when she knows the baby is about to die, so that the doctor can say the child died of whatever diagnosis the doctor might give, and the police will not even file to take a report because they think the mom just took the child too late to the hospital.
You are feeding the baby.
Okay. Right. Is it your turn? Your turn? You say, "I want to feed the baby." You say. You sign.
I want to try it. It was full last night.
Mama.
So let's try
The right.
ba 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 ba
Stand.
ba.
Hands they sacrifice. They even sacrifice their babies. If their baby is born with a cleft, they might take the baby for rituals so they can become rich and stuff like that, which is a horrible thing. So personally, I am very overwhelmed and very overwhelmed. I really want to say thank you for all what you've done. May God bless you. It's really a good thing. A very encouraging thing. I know you think what you're doing is just donation, but it's helped a lot here in Zambia. Very much. It's a 95% profit here. Very much. We might have 28 women here, or 30 or 10, but as you say, a big journey begins with one step. And this is one step to go on and go on and go on. You've inspired me, and I even want to become a speech therapist. So, thank you for all what you've done.